Có nôn lần nào không ạ? Nó có nôn một tí xíu à. Nó kiểu bị quệ quệ thôi. Nó không nôn.
Okay, so now we are at the hospital and let's follow me and we will see how the condition of our kittens is. And over there are two girls who save and rescue our baby kittens. So let's take a closer look inside the box. Okay, so this is our baby kittens. She look very poor. So my volunteer have a fast checking for this baby kitten because we have seen some problem. You can see that at her back, the disc sticking around her back legs and also at her tail. And because we are having a lot of kittens and cats at our guest house, so we have to make sure that this kitten is safe. But now let's try to feed this baby kitten. I hope that she still can eating. I have prepared a small bottle of wet food. Let's take it, baby. She's smelling. Now she will eat. But it seems not. Maybe she just smell it. Only smelling, nothing more. So from the girl said that this baby kitten is from when she rescued her. So this baby kitten was having diarrhea. So that's why you can see some blanket under the box. It's wet and dirty because of this kitten got diarrhea, and her waist made the box being dirty. Okay, so after having some conversations and getting some information from these two rescuers, we decided to take this baby kitten to the vet directly because we have to make sure that she is safe before taking her to our guest house. And you can see that this is the parking with a lot of cars, a lot of motorbikes, and I really hope that we will not meet any stray kittens over here anymore. So right here is at the vet. So let's wait the answer, the result after checking from the vet. And one of the problems that is this baby kitten stayed few days outside, and our weather is winter, so I hope that she will not have any problem about her lung. The telescope will help her to check it. So it's very lucky her lung is normal. It's not a disease. Very lucky. But she's having ringworm. That is what the vet said. That is the first problem. The second one, her body is very dirty, and the third one, she is having diarrhea. Maybe because of eating the bad food from outside. And of course, we have to clean for her body after taking her home. But the vet said that she is safe to go to our cat's house. But of course, she have to pass the separation before getting inside the cat's room. So after taking her home to our cat's house, Of course, we have to separate this baby kitten from other kittens and cats first. But this is very lucky that this kitten start eating. Maybe she's hungry now. Look at her, the way she eating. Very hungry, I think so. The cat food will help her to feel better. She will feel better. I hope so. And we also have the womanlet over there. And I want to say that this kitten is safe with us now at our guest house. She is safe, and she have a second chance to live right now. So I will try my best to take care of this baby kitten. In next few days, I will start to clean for her body and to give her the first bath. Okay, baby, you are safe now. So try your best and grow up and recover. Then I will find for you a new house and a new owner. So this is Animals Healthcare. We are having a guest house in Vietnam where we're trying our best to rescue, save, and giving the second chance for kittens and cats in Vietnam to live. I really hope that we can rescue more and more from now to the future. So if you are watching this video, please give this baby kitten some love and encouragement. So that is our best motivation to keep doing this work in Vietnam. And remember this, don't keep this video, this story for only you, because there are many animal lovers around the world. They also need to see and watch this video and know exactly what's happening in our country and what we are doing here. Thank you so much for your sharing, and any donation from you guys will help us a lot to rescue more and more in the future, and also take caring for them day by day. So thank you so much for following and support us, and see you in next video.